Hello guys, today I'm doing I have to submit a proposal for post-construction window cleaning for this residentials. The builder in our area, she subcontracted me. That's good for me, good for my business. That's why I'm come here, look around for the windows. Mostly post-construction or dust and paint on those windows. This is what I'm doing right now. This is the second house that I'm looking at this time. There's I think there's 3 more houses on the road. So they come and look around for this paint and this windows. Anyway, and this one has a long driveway and walkway that probably need to be pressure washed too. Look at this. Dusty, moldy, and so it's over there mostly. And they have a big what do you call that? A shed, or the garage shed, and it's a long pressure washing. And I'm pretty much sure they need pressure wash this walkway like this. Anyway, that's what I've been doing. Submitting a proposal for them, getting a proposal too. So, are you guys?